I'm Ekin. I'm working with the BioIndustry Association, BIA. So I'm with the membership and business development team. So we are the trade association of innovative life sciences and biotech ecosystem in the UK, but we also have a lot of international members as well. Our mission is to be the voice of the sector so that we can help businesses start, grow and sustain in the UK. And we are working together with our members on policy and regulations to make everything improve in the UK. As the Bioindustry Association, we also aim to be the connecting hub for the sector, and we are organizing a lot of events throughout the UK during the year. And we have some upcoming large events soon. So we have our Tech Bio UK event, which is involving all topics from AI, data, tech transfer, and everything related to biotech. And it's going to be in 16th of October. Then in November, we have our Bioprocess UK event. It is a 3-day event focusing on the manufacturing side, industrial side of the sector. Most of the companies are struggling with their finances in the recent years. But we are optimistic about that. And as BIA, together with our members and our policy team are working really hard on R&D tax credits, anything related to finance as well. And we think that it is going to improve for the sector very soon.